Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time being here, hi, welcome to my channel. Here I talk about beauty, lifestyle and general happy vibes. If that's what you're into, please join my fun by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. So we're gonna have a tutorial on this cute makeup look in celebration of Pride Month, okay? So welcome back. First I primed my face with Staymate face primer. We have to keep the makeup in check. Then I went in with a mixture of two foundations, one from Nuella's Cosmetics and a much darker foundation from Elegant Concealer, because since I started my face treatment I noticed I've been getting darker. So now I'm applying that and blending it in with a damp beauty blender. Blend, 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 blend. So now it's time to apply the eyeshadow base, and I'm getting my colors from Image Cosmetics lipstick palette. Their palette is so vibrant and it served the purpose perfectly. So first I'm starting out with the pink, which goes into the inner corners of the eye. So next I'm going in with purple. The lipstick palette did come with a purple lipstick, but a proper mixture of dark blue, light blue and red gave me the perfect purple shade. Yes, I feel so proud of myself. I listened properly during primary and secondary colors in school. So I'm just going to keep blending that until there are no visible harsh lines between the pink and the purple before going in with the next color. So next I'm going in with a light blue. I'm just going to blend it right where the purple ends. I went a little bit on top of the purple around the outer corner of the eye because I felt the purple went way higher than I anticipated. I would really have preferred if it didn't go that high. So yeah, I decided to blend it out with the light blue and it worked perfectly. Then next I went in with the lemon or green. I'm not quite sure what color that is, but it was a mixture of green and yellow, so I think I would say lemon. So I just put that over the blue so there are no harsh lines. Then I went in with a yellow, a little bit of yellow. I felt it helped it pop out better and I think I was right though. Before going in with a baby pink or a peach, I'm not quite sure what color that is, but if you know, please comment down below. Yes, I applied that on my cheekbone and I think it came out beautifully. Then I went in with my eyeshadow from Hush palette over the eyeshadow base rather. Then next I went in with a blush for my cheekbones to make the color pop out more, and I think it turned out really cute. So in reality, I would never have done this eye look before drawing my brows, but I absolutely forgot. I don't know how, but I forgot. But now that I've remembered, I'm drawing in my brows with an eye pencil from Davis color 3. So now I'm going with the Zaron concealer to conceal my brows. So next I'm going in with a black eyeliner from Elizabeth Helen. Man, I have had this eyeliner for so long. I'm just so glad I finally get to use it. At this point, I was beginning to feel the eyeshadow looked too plain, so I decided to spice it up by applying dots of white line eyeliner, and it turned out really good. Yeah, what do you think? So next I comb my lashes with a volumizing mascara from Zaron before putting on my falsies. Then I line my lower eyes with a gel eyeliner also from Zaron. Yeah, we had to smoke the lower line out. I'm so sorry guys, I lost the last clip for the lip, but it's a nude combo of brown, nude lipstick and a lip gloss. So I've come to the end of the video. I really hope it was watch your time and you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. You can leave me a comment, it will be much appreciated. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.